wanted to take a second to show you how quick and easy it is to get a health insurance quote through coldmountaininsurance.com. So first thing you're going to want to do is type in coldmountaininsurance.com. Scroll down to the middle of the page. Now you may notice we offer many different services. We offer auto insurance, home insurance, motorcycle and RV insurance, flood insurance, landlord insurance. We even offer pet insurance, business insurance, and life insurance. But today we're going to focus on health insurance. So go ahead and click on the health insurance icon. It'll bring you to this page. So a couple of things I want to point out. More than half our members with a subsidy pay $0 per month for health insurance. There's no obligation, there's no credit card needed, and no fees to get a quote. So, and you can typically get a quote in between 1 and 2 minutes. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on the do you qualify for $0 per month coverage. It'll bring you to this page here. And we don't need a lot of information. So we don't need your name, email address, or phone number. All we really need is your zip code. So our office is in Bolivia, North Carolina. So that's 28422. I'm going to click on see plans and prices. I'm going to use the age of 30 and I'm a male. I do not use tobacco. I'm not eligible for coverage through a job, Medicaid, CHIP, or Medicare. For this purpose, I'm not going to show that I have a spouse and I do not have any dependents for this quote. So I'm going to go ahead and hit continue. Now, I have one person in my tax household, and I'm going to use the number of $30,000 as my estimated household income. So that's my entire household income for 2025 that I'm estimating. I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, and you can see I qualify for $443 in tax subsidies per month. And that's going to be a $0 plan per month. Options are going to be there for me. There are going to be other options that I pay a little bit out of pocket. So let's see what we've got. I'm going to skip this step for now. I'm not going to put any doctors, specialists, or hospitals, but you could. If you see doctors on a regular basis, you could enter them here. I'm not going to put in any prescriptions. And I'm going to go ahead and just skip entering my information. Now, there's going to be a bunch of different carriers you can choose from. The one that I recommend and the one I prefer is Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina. So I'm going to select Blue Cross. I'm going to look at expanded bronze plans, and I'm also going to look at silver plans. I'm going to look at both. So you can see there's lots of different options with the information I've entered with a $0 monthly premium. So here's a great option. It's a Blue Value Bronze Complete. It has $0 per month out of pocket to me. It has a $4,000 deductible. So if I'm seeing a doctor, not a big deal because I'm going to pay a $60 copay, specialists $120, generic drugs $20. But if I go to the hospital or have to have surgery, this might not be the best plan for me, because it does have a higher deductible and it has a max out of pocket of $9,200. Now, I'm going to see that there's tons of other options that cost $0 per month and have different coverage and option limits. But I'm going to go to the silver plans. And when you get to the silver plans, you're going to see a bunch of great options. They cost a little bit of money out of pocket each month, but in exchange, you have low deductibles, you have low copays for your primary care physicians. This particular plan, the Blue Value Silver Preferred, actually has 3 free primary care physician visits per year, $5 tier 1 prescriptions. It has the integrated Blue Cross Blue Shield of North Carolina doctor network, which is great. This one is limited to North Carolina statewide doctors, but there are options, as you can see, where you can go to doctors nationwide. Now, it does cost a little bit more. Here's one, a Blue Advantage Silver Preferred that has nationwide doctor network. Does cost $136.53. So, guys, super easy to get your quote. We're here to help you. Give us a call, 910-477-8838. We're here to help you get your quote for health insurance, auto insurance, home insurance, business insurance, whatever your need. We're here for you. You can also go to coldmountaininsurance.com and get more information there, and I'll talk to you soon.